Hello treasures, welcome back to my channel. I hope you all are doing great. Compliment of the season. In today's video, I'm going to show you how I made these delicious rock buns with some overripe plantain. I love plantain, right? Let's get started. For this, I'm using two medium-sized overripe plantain, which I'll just peel and blend. You can mash it if you want, but I want it smooth for this recipe. You can also watch some of my other plantain recipes. I blended the plantain with little water. I'll also go ahead and add 2 eggs in it. You can blend the egg with the plantain if you wish to. I'll then mix it and set it aside. In a bigger mixing bowl, I'll add 4 cups of all-purpose flour, half cup of sugar. You can add less if you want to. Add according to your taste. 4 tablespoons of powdered milk, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon powder. You can also use nutmeg, and a 1/3 teaspoon of salt, just a little salt, and then mix everything together. After mixing it, I'll then add 2 tablespoons of butter. You can also use melted butter. I should have used that, but I didn't remember to melt the butter. Then I'll mix it with my hand. After mixing the dry ingredients, I'll then add the plantain and the egg mix. And we'll continue to mix it. The liquid in it is not much, so I just rinsed the plantain and egg mix with water and added it. In all, I'm using 1 cup of water, including the one I used to blend the plantain. After mixing it properly, I'll then cover and allow it to rest for about 10 minutes while I heat up the oil for frying. And now it is time to fry our buns, our plantain buns. Fry on both sides on medium heat until they are golden brown. And here we have our plantain buns. Very, very delicious. Very delicious. Try and give it a try. If you have plantain at home, ripe plantain, don't fry it. Don't go and fry dodo. Make these snacks for your family and they will thank you and thank me also. I hope you enjoyed watching. Thank you all. Until I see you again in our next video, remain blessed and safe. I love you all. Bye bye.